How to apply debtor payments in AAAPOS RetailManager. The debtor payments window is used to record payments made by customers on their accounts. Go to the transaction menu and select debtor payments, or press Shift plus F6. The debtor payments window will appear. Enter your staff number in the staff field. Enter the customer number of the customer making the payment. A list of the customer's outstanding invoices will appear, sorted by the oldest first. Only the unpaid amounts on each invoice will be shown, not the total invoice amount. You also have the option to look up payments by invoice number, which is particularly useful when a customer pays via direct deposit and uses the invoice number as their payment reference. To use this feature, simply select the invoice number option, enter the invoice number, and press Enter. This will display the relevant invoice details, allowing you to process the payment accordingly. The discount column will be highlighted for you to enter any applicable discounts. If the customer qualifies for an early payment discount, enter the discount either as an amount or as a percentage, for example, 10%. To calculate a discount amount, press F2 to open the calculator. Please note, discounts on payments will appear as negative gross profit during cash up, to balance out the extra profit recorded during the original sale. In the paying field, enter the amount the customer is paying towards this invoice. By default, the paying field will display the outstanding amount for the selected invoice. Press F2 to open the calculator and adjust the payment if necessary. If the customer is paying the full outstanding invoice amount, simply press Tab to proceed. If the payment is less than the full amount, override the paying field with the payment amount and press Tab. Please note, you cannot enter an amount greater than the outstanding balance, no overpayment allowed. If the customer is paying against multiple invoices, repeat these steps for each invoice. For this example, the customer has two invoices, invoice number 72 for $26.10 and invoice number 75 for $295. The customer wants to pay $100. First, pay the entire $26.10 for the invoice number 72. Then, pay $73.90 towards the invoice number 75. The total field will display $100. After entering the payment amounts, choose the payment method in the payment details frame. This should be done similarly to how you would when making a sale. Refer to How to Make a Sale for detailed instructions. Enter the amount the customer is paying for the selected payment method in the paying field. Press Enter or click Add to add the payment. If the payment is split across multiple methods, repeat this step for each method. Once all information is entered, click Commit or press F10 to finalize the payment and commit the transaction. If an error was made during the entry of the payment, you can reverse it by going to the Reverse Debtor Payments window. For instructions, go to Admin and select Reverse Debtor Payments in the RetailManager video tutorials. This concludes the process for making debtor payments in RetailManager. Make sure to follow the steps carefully, especially when applying payments to multiple invoices and selecting the correct payment methods.